To my YouTube channel, this is Coach Yoann, and today we're gonna talk about the basics of day trading. What is a pennant? Let's go. Okay guys, so you should be able to see my chart over here. This is Google on a 3-minute time frame. I look a little bit to see if we had any pennant on Tesla, Amazon and all of that, and that is the best I could find. Not the most beautiful one, but let's dive into it. Before we actually dive into what is, an example of a pennant, I want to talk about what is a pennant, and as I always say, let's keep it short and sexy and simple. So a pennant is basically a continuation pattern that has been preceded by a breakout or a breakdown, and it's consolidating before another breakout or breakdown. So let's dive into an example to show you what it is. So while I'm doing this, I also want to let you know that a pennant can be, there you go, a pennant can be bearish or bullish, okay? It is one of my least favorite things to trade personally, just because they are not as accurate as an head and shoulders, quite frankly, or bear flag, or to me, it's just, they are very similar, but they are not as, they can fail, right? Like nothing is 100% like I always say, but those I feel like can fail a lot, or they're not as clean sometimes. I don't know, I just don't like it. When I say clean, it means that you can detect the pattern, but you're not too sure. Versus when you see like a head and shoulders, for example, an inverted head and shoulder, you can just detect it. To me, I can detect it right away. So let's dive into it real quick. This is a breakout over here, right? We all agree? Right? We see 1, 2, 3 candles going higher and higher, right? So that's a breakout right there. Then what's happening is we are retracing a little bit, then going back higher, then retracing, then higher, then retracing, and smaller and smaller and smaller, right? Right there, this is the pennant, okay? So let me draw a trend line for you to understand it better. I'll go from here. Oops, that was ugly. Let's just do that. I'll modify it from here. There you go. Boom. Not the prettiest one, but you will get the idea in a sec. Boom, right here. There you go, right? So we have a breakout, consolidation, forming the pennant, right? That's what it is. And then another breakout right here. So actually I can do this. So breakout, consolidation, boom, 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 and then breakout here. That's it, right? Like I said, my least favorite thing to trade, because I think actually I read somewhere that they are not as effective as well. There's just a head and shoulder. When you detect it, it's apparently like around 80%. I've read that somewhere on the internet. I don't know if it's accurate or not, don't quote me on this, but apparently it's a study has been done and you can detect a head and shoulders and it will be 80% accurate of what's happening next. And those pennant actually 50%. So it's like really hit or miss. And I guess everything in trading is hit or miss, but you want to have the most odds on your side when you detect something in order for you to enter a position or see where you will enter, exit, whatever it might be, whatever your strategy fits you and your guts and your mindset. But that's what it is for me. So pennant, I don't like that much, but that's what it is. Consolidation that has been preceded by breakout or breakdown. In this example here, it's a breakout, right? And then consolidation, pennant, and then breakout again. Okay, it can be the same thing on that's a bullish one. It can be the same thing on the bear side. So let's say we're going lower here. Let me see if there was one there. I don't see one right. No, breakdown, consolidate. Yeah, kind of. Let's see. What was I? Breakdown here. And consolidate a little bit, and then another breakdown. Yeah, it's not really one at all actually, but I'll give you the idea. That will be if you need to have the trend line drew properly though, and I don't think that would be. Oh gosh, it has to form like a more like a triangle versus a parallel one, right? So that's not really it. But you get the idea, right? This one, let's go back to this one, bullish one, boom, 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 up, bearish one, going down, boom, 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 consolidation, and then next leg down eventually. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any question, feel free to go on coachoann.com, book your 15-minute session with me. It's free. We talk about your mindset, your experience as a trader, or just shoot the shit and talk about fitness if you want to. I have no problem with that. So thank you so much. Like, subscribe, and share the video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.